Righto guys, if you've ever had a 100 series, you rip this handbrake on here, she's in neutral, mate, we're on the tiniest of a lean here and we're rolling away. We've got nothing in there, handbrake's right up, we've got nothing. So something we're going to try and rectify today. So today we're going to put in your extended dog bones into your handbrake shoes. So we're going to pull them drums apart on the back, put the new shoes in, we've got a new set of pads and these little extended dog bones they call them I suppose, and let's see if that fixes the problem. Everyone says it's the fix, so let's give it a go. Cheers. Just remember guys, if you like any of the info you get over here on Dustybootz Outdoors, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, get our name out there, and yeah, cheers guys. Righto guys, as we said earlier, if you've owned a 100 series, pretty much, handbrake is a major issue with them. It's always something you're playing with, tinkering. I tighten him up, lasts for a month or two. They say the solution is these extended dog bones. They're supposed to be about 5-10 mil or something longer. So the idea is put that in and it'll give a more even pressure when you apply your brake, when you apply your handbrake, the shoes will push out better. So, new set of pads from Online Auto Parts. So let's get these wheels off and get into it. Righto, got the wheel off. Next step, let's get this brake caliper off. Pretty sure she's 217mm. Bolts on the back. 17mm socket. Now righto guys, once you got your caliper off, you're going to want to pull out this little bung, this little inspection bung here, and this will let you get to your handbrake adjuster. So you can wind the adjuster back, loosen it off, so then your drum will come off, or your disc will come off. So spin him right around, should be on the bottom here. Need to know what you're feeling for. Pretty sure I've got to wind it down. Past experiences, always end up going the wrong way first. Now guys, after you've loosened the adjuster up as much as you can, basically this should just slide off because everything can be worn. If it won't and it's stuck, there are actually these two holes. There's two holes there, you can put a bolt into them and basically wind them bolts on and it'll help pull the disc, pull the drum off. Him. Nice. Alright. So I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the little part we're going to change out. Alright guys, this is the part we're trying to change out. These are supposed to be a tiny bit longer and it helps this spread out better. It's going to push them in, but as you see mine are pretty worn, so it could have been half the problem as well. But whack these in, new set of pads, and we should be happy days. Now I'm not sure if you can see, you've got these little springs and retaining clips. You need to push your needle in, turn him, and she'll pop off. One on either side. Righto guys, so now when you want to pull them apart, this is what we're going for. These little springs and retaining clips. Basically just going to push this in, you'll see your moves, push him in, turn it, and it'll pop off. There's two of them to get, either side. And basically remember how all these springs and bits and pieces go, because we're going to have to put the whole show back together. Just going to compare the old ones to the new ones. Who knows, like a 20-year-old car, these could have been changed before. But, never had much success with my handbrake. Let's see if there's anything different about them. See there, it's just like 5mm. About 5mm longer. So we'll see if they make a difference. Try them out. Righto guys, when you open up your brake pads there for your handbrake, now one side's going to have this little lug in it, basically your little stud. So that's for your handbrake lever, I suppose it is, the little arm for your handbrake where it all hooks up. It slides on the back here and then you clip them all in place. You'll have to steal your clips off your old shoes and then the other side doesn't. So these two are in a pack together and these two are in a pack together. You need one from each to make up your brake shoes, all right? Just sit him in the vise there. Let's see if we can get this. Just sit him in the vise. your handbrake piece, put it on, washer, on, and then your little cover. Tap him into position. Pair of pliers, squeeze him shut. There you have him. On. Nice. Shouldn't go nowhere. Alright, first things first, let's get this handbrake on. Slide the spring up. There we go. So guys, before you pull it apart, take note of which way these pins are sitting. They can be quite tricky to get back in, to get them springs on. But yeah, this back one, she has to sit forward like so. So just be real careful about that. This little one here needs to face inwards. You'll see it's got a big bow on it. Big bow, he goes inwards. Sit your brake shoe up there. Take your little disc. This goes in. Get your hands in there. This goes in. Clipped in. Your spring, your little collet, your little washer. Righto, that's on. No, there's a long side and a short side to it. You put the long side on the outside, hold it all in there. Make sure it sit like so. Then have this little spring over the end. And there. Righto, that and that. Put that on the shoe. Nice. All sitting there. Don't forget this spring on the back. Then you simply just want to push your pin into place, put the spring on and the retaining clip to hold your second shoe in place. After that, you should only have one spring left to install. It'll be your main spring at the top that'll hold your dog bone into place. Just clip that in and everything should be completed. Hey guys, the biggest tip I can give you is I found out I had to back these right off, make them as loose as possible. So everywhere where I'd gone through, tighten it up. So there was this one here, had to loosen this up, had to loosen that cord up. And then basically I'm going to back this, the little adjuster right there on the back off. That's on the other side, can't really see real well. But had to back everything right off to be able to get my drum back on. It is a tight fit. And yeah, we'll get them on and adjust them up from there. Righto guys, now I've got him all back together. All I do, basically put my handbrake on, 3 clicks, just 1, 2, 3, nice and gentle. Wind him round, use my adjuster, wind it up till it's nice and tight on both sides, and that's him. Drop your handbrake off, your wheels will roll over, 3 clicks, it's all locked up. Putting these new pads in and them little bones, everything seems tight. I can move it around with the handbrake off, but as soon as I put the handbrake on, those couple of clicks, it's nice and tight, feels good. So I'm just going to leave it at that, put my brakes back on, take it for a spin, drive for a week or 2, see how it feels, and then I might come back to adjusting it. But at this stage, everything's feeling good, so I'm going to leave it like that. cheers guys. If you like what you've seen in these videos, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, get our name out there. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.